In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add DocuSign tags to a PDF in DocuSign, step by step. If you're creating contracts, agreements, or any document that needs signatures, initials, dates, or text fields, adding tags properly is essential to make sure your recipients can complete the document without any confusion. I'll walk you through the full process, from creating a template to dragging and dropping the required fields onto your PDF. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Once you're logged into your account, you'll land on the home dashboard. From here, look at the top navigation menu and click on Templates. Using templates is one of the best ways to manage documents that you plan to reuse, especially when you want consistent tag placement across multiple agreements. After you're inside the Templates section, click on Create Template. This allows you to upload a document and prepare it with all the necessary tags before sending it out. Now, you'll need to give your template a name. In the Template Name field, type something clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. For example, you might name it Client Agreement Template or Employment Contract 2026. Naming your template properly will save you time as your template library grows. Next, click on Upload to add your document. If your file is saved on your computer, choose the option to upload from your desktop. Locate your PDF or Google Doc file and select it. Once uploaded, DocuSign will attach it to the template so you can begin adding tags. After uploading the document, scroll down to the Recipients section. This step is very important because tags are assigned to specific recipients. Enter the name and email placeholder for each role that needs to sign or fill in the document. For example, you might add a signer role for the client and another signer role for yourself. You can also add roles like CC if needed. Make sure each role is clearly defined before moving forward. Once you've added your recipients, click Next. DocuSign will now open the document editor where you can begin adding tags to your PDF. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different field options. These are your tags. You'll find signature, initials, date signed, text, checkbox, dropdown, and many more. To add a tag, simply click on the field you want and drag and drop it onto the correct place in the document. For example, drag the signature tag to the area where the recipient needs to sign. Then drag a date sign tag near the signature line if you want the signing date to be captured automatically. If you need the signer to type information like their full name, address, or company name, use the text field tag and position it in the appropriate space. Make sure that each tag is assigned to the correct recipient. You can select the recipient from the drop-down menu at the top of the editor. If you have multiple signers, double-check that the right fields are assigned to the right person. This ensures each recipient only sees and completes their own required fields. You can resize tags by clicking and dragging the corners, and you can move them around until they are perfectly aligned with your document layout. Take a moment to review everything carefully to make sure no required field is missing. Once you're done adding all the necessary tags, click Save and Close to finish setting up your template. Your document is now ready to be used with all tags properly placed. And that's how you add DocuSign tags to a PDF in DocuSign, step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.